నా కోని మరి ఎట్లా వస్తాడు ఎప్పటికి వస్తాడో చూస్తాను నేను. అంతా వాని వల్లే అవి జరిగింది. నేను ఇంకేం మాట్లాడాలి, ఆటుకోవాలి. వానికి జ్వరం వచ్చేది కొద్దిగా, పొద్దున కూడా జ్వరం ఉండే.
Hi, thank you to you too. I think I'm celebrating the day working and celebrating it with women who are celebrating themselves, who are living their lives to their fullest potential, unapologetically, and I think there's no better way than to celebrate any day than this way. I think I won't just talk about the film industry. I just wish for ourselves as women that we all value ourselves a little more each day, and that someday we don't need Women's Day to celebrate our achievements, our strength, that it's like you don't have a man's day, but we'll get there soon. Yeah?
आप किस वुमन को इंस्पिरेशन मानती हैं? अगर आपको ऐसी कौन सी वुमन है जिसको आप अपनी इंस्पिरेशन मानती हैं?
एक नहीं है, एनी वुमन जो अपनी शर्तों पे अपनी ज़िंदगी जीने की कोशिश कर रही है, ना सिर्फ वो कि जो अपनी शर्तों पे ज़िंदगी जी रही है, जो कोशिश भी कर रही है, वो मेरे लिए इंस्पिरेशन है. थैंक यू.
इंस्टाग्राम पे आपने एक बहुत ही डीप मैसेज वाला एक पोस्ट शेयर किया था. इट वाज लॉन्ग, इट वाज लाइक पूरा टॉपिक आपने कवर किया था. व्हाट वेंट बिहाइंड द होल आइडिया?
एक्चुअली मैंने ये फोटो देखा कि किसी हैंडल पे, और मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा. मुझे लगा कि ये मतलब अनअपॉलोजेटिकली जी रही है. शी इज हु शी इज, एंड I thought that was great. That sparked. तब बहुत सारे thoughts आने लगे और मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही थी, तो मैंने बहुत कुछ लिख डाला. And that's all.
Vidya, these days we see a lot of films being made on, like, for example, she was headlining Rasi. There are a lot of films made
on
Rasi.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of films being made on the subject, like women are the face of the film, and you kind of started that whole trend with dirty picture and all of that. How do you see? How do you welcome these things? Like women are the main lead in
I think it used to happen before also, but then it's happened in fits and spurts, but now this is here to stay. जो फीमेल सेंट्रिक सिनेमा की हम लोग बात करते हैं, अब ये धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है. जितनी ज़्यादा ये सक्सेसफुल ये फिल्म्स होंगी, उतनी ज़्यादा ये फिल्में बनेंगी. एक वक्त पे हम जब जस्ट फिल्म देखने जाएंगे, ना मेल सेंट्रिक, ना हीरो सेंट्रिक, ना फीमेल सेंट्रिक, जस्ट फिल्म्स. That's where we are headed. But this is definitely not a phase, and there are lots of faces of this change, in all the films we're seeing, and that's fantastic. There are lots of stories waiting to be told. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Where do I go? Yeah? Okay. Yeah.
Hi, Zoya.
Hi.
Firstly, happy Women's Day.
Same to you.
Yes. How happy happy are you and how are you looking forward to celebrate? And can you tell us something about the next session?
I mean, I'm happy today, and I'll be happier the day we don't have to celebrate one day as Women's Day. But I'm very happy today because we also have launched our show, Made in Heaven, and that's coming together strong feminists, men and women. So I'm very happy that the show's come out, and I think it's kind of relevant to what's going on right now. And that's it. Yeah.
How are you synonymous with Amazon Prime, who has created so many shows for women? How do you see this particular, and how important is this trend that there should be women-centric? I don't like to use the word, but FOMO shots and a lot of series where only women were the main lead. So how do you see this trend?
No, Made in Heaven is not like that at all, and Made in Heaven is not a show which just has women leads. It has 3 male leads, 3 women leads, and I mean even the 2 main protagonists are Arjun Mathur and Shobhita Dhulipada. So it's not a women-centric show, so to speak. But thematically and stuff, when we talk about our culture and we have any kind of social critique in the wedding space, it is obviously a patriarchy, and therefore it is from a point of view of women and the female gaze. Speaking of Amazon, I mean, when you are in any kind of work partnership with people, whether it's writers, producers, in this case producers and a platform, you have to bring something new to the table, which they do bring in terms of where their reach is, where they take us, how they actually platform us. And you have to also be similar, and they are similar to us in terms of their values, in terms of their their value system, their politics, which side of the fence they are on, how they view women and what they want for women in the world. So we are on the same side, and I think it works well.
So, you have always surprised us with your work, lastly being Gully Boy. We've got to know that you are collaborating with Ranveer for the first time in your next project.
No, I'm not, but I'd love to. I'm not yet collaborating with anyone. I don't have a next project, but yeah, I'd love to work with him. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And for the award,
Thank you.
how do you see today's event?
I'm very excited about today's. I think it's a really cool panel, and we were just talking about this, that it's good to just be back and celebrate all of us together. So yeah.
Sunil, how delighted were you when you won the Oscar award?
It's
What was your reaction? And,
epic.
yeah.
We went nuts, screaming, crying, shivering. I mean,
Did you
it's.
expect
You know, we were just. We were actually just making a film to try and raise more money and create more awareness. Winning an Oscar totally came as a surprise, so it's quite special.
And now, do you feel the pressure on yourself because now you have won an award? So people will be looking forward to more good content.
I hope I can continue to do what I have been doing. So I hope. Thank you guys. Thank you. Such a warm welcome.